So friends, 20 years of fat and weight loss advice in less than 3 minutes. I usually don't create such videos, but it is important because I need to give you higher truths rather than what is easily available in the market. The first truth is that weight or fat loss should not be a journey of individualized focus on activities. That means just going to the gym, just doing a workout, doing yoga, or just eating clean, or doing a diet, or doing meditation won't help you. You have to consolidate practices and make holistic practices. So it should be a lifestyle change rather than an activity change. Secondly, you have to first cleanse your system before going on a diet. That means to start off your dieting journey not by changing the supplementation or changing the food that you eat, but by giving your system a rest, fasting, or also taking those particular things which improve your gut line and digestive systems. That will give you the ability of digesting whatever you eat in a better manner and taking the nutrients from it. Thirdly, make your journey your own unique journey. It should suit your life rather than being copied by social media. So make a journey where you're enjoying the journey rather than being over disciplined or sacrificial. But also remember that without a little bit of suffering and pain, you won't have any growth. So look at those avenues in your life which are comfortable and which are non-comfortable. Sometimes doing the little things of sacrificing on food is a little more discomforting than putting in a lot of effort in the gym. So you're creating an imbalance. So create the balance. Understand your weaknesses and work on them more than you are overdoing on your strengths. Fourth is, it is a digital world and it's very easy to get caught up in two things. Firstly, in listening to people who have no experience or no value, and also secondly, projecting things that you have not done. So there are a lot of nutrition coaches who, just because they've been dieting for 3 months, become coach. Just because they've been going for a couple of years, become a trainer. I have been doing this for 20 years and I have more than 20 certificates in it, and still I'm learning. And I take a lot of humility in saying that your journey as a coach cannot be complete in 2, 3, 5, 10 years. It takes time. So take time in everything. And remember that this journey is a marathon, not a sprint. So plan for the long run. Don't take short term measures because they always come with side effects. With that being said, enjoy this view from the Canggu beach here in Bali, where the river meets the sea. And bye bye from you to me, or me to you.